In this video, I am going to configure DHCP range on Cisco switch. Hello and welcome back to my channel. So as I mentioned in the title of this video, I'm going to configure DHCP range on Cisco switch. So I was recently editing my blog and I found out this post on my blog, how to add DHCP range on Cisco 3750, and it was posted, I think, let's say 8 years, yeah, back in 2016. So yeah, I was looking at it and I felt like there are a few mistakes. So let me show you what are the mistakes in this one, so you guys will understand how to set DHCP range. Also, you will learn what is the usage of these commands. Okay, so here I am on the Cisco packet tracer. So this is the switch 3560 24 port multi-layer switch. So after the version 3560, there are all layer 3 switches. Okay, so first of all, let's try these commands step by step. So first command is to go to enable mode and then the configure terminal, and then write service DHCP on the command line. I don't think that's gonna work. IP DHCP pool, this and that. Okay, so let's do that step by step. I'm gonna open the configuration page here and minimize this. Hopefully this will stay here. Okay, so let's do that step by step, and I'll tell you what are the mistakes in this one. So first enable, yeah, that one is fine. Configure T, that is configure terminal to configure anything. So service DHCP, yeah, that's not the right command. Okay, so line 3 is wrong, and then IP DHCP pool, that is the right one. But before that, we need to configure the interface first. So let's go back to the Cisco packet tracer. But if you're using the physical router, you should know what interface you're connecting into. So if I click on hover mouse on this one, it shows me fast Ethernet 0/1, and open up the CLI again. Okay, so first of all, you are going to assign the IP address on the interface fast Ethernet 0/1, and then the IP address. Yeah, so it's a switch. Another mistake, you cannot assign the IP address on a switch. So we have to make this port work as a router port. So we're going to type this command, no switch port. So the link is going to be down for a second and then up again. And then if I type here again the same command, you can see as I press tab, it's showing me the complete command, but before it was not showing up anything. So I'm going to type let's say this as I mentioned in this article, and then yeah, let's say with /8 network. And you cannot use /8 in Cisco command line. You have to type the whole subnet mask. Okay, so I set up the IP address for this one. Okay, after exiting from the interface mode, now I'm gonna type this command, IP DHCP pool, and then say the pool name, anything. I'm just setting up my name, Talha, and then we are going to set a network range. So let's say 10.0.0. If I type /8, it's going to give me the error. There is no such thing you can type in this one. I don't know why I wrote this thing. 255.0.0.0, and then yeah, this is going to be the network. And then after that, we have to tell this DHCP what is the default gateway. So this should be the one, the IP address of the interface. Default router this, and then what is the next one? domain name, I don't think we can set domain name like this. Nah. Okay, so let's type the next one. Yeah, we can set DNS. As you type, as you hit the tab key, it's going to show you it's the right command or not, or otherwise you can type DNS or question mark, so it's going to show you the complete command. So if I type domain question mark, it's going to show me unrecognized because it's not the right command. So DNS server, and we're going to set the same one as the default gateway, and then lease 7. Hopefully that will not work as well. I don't think, no. So and then copy running to, that's the command you type in the enable mode, not here. If I type this, it's gonna show me unrecognized. Okay, so I'm gonna exit from here and then exit one more time. So here I can type this command. See, copy. If I type RU, it's gonna show me running configuration, and then if I type start, that means startup configuration. So if I type this command, I'll need to type the file name for saving the configuration, but I use a shortcut, that's WR, hit enter, your configuration is saved. Okay, now let's go back to the computer and see if our configuration is correct. If I click on DHCP, it should get IP. Okay, so you can see it's getting the IP address from DHCP server. Also, we should be able to ping this gateway. Yes, and this is the current IP address of this computer. So yeah, that is the way how you set the DHCP range on Cisco switch. So I'm gonna fix this one, and you can check after watching this video and find if there is any kind of mistake. And another thing, if you guys have seen my blog previously, I changed the layout, and there are a few more things I will discuss in my next video. I have a few special things for my YouTube channel viewers, and because I got so many views on a video like how to set static IP address on Ubuntu server, so I have created a tool for you guys. So it's going to be a gift from me, and I want a gift from you as well. That's going to be subscribe my channel and like the video. So I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye and take care.